Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 52 Chevrolet pickup truck, 5-window, 350 under the hood. You are gonna love checking it out, and I'm gonna love showing it to you. Chrome grille, all the accessories, everything looking sweet, all the chrome looking awesome. We got aftermarket headlights in it. This paint is popping, looking sweet. We got a couple of touch-ups on the paint on the hood here. Love all the chrome on it, looking sweet. She is a beauty. Now these trucks are just off the hook, getting popular as can be. Wide whites on it, doors fitting great, and those 5-window, that's what everybody's looking for right there. Look at the interior. Looks just about like stock. Now, it has been upgraded with that low car shifter in there. The seat covering looking sweet. All the interior looking sweet in this baby. All the paintwork looking good. She is beautiful. Those are the instructions on how to operate the truck there hanging from the rear view. She is gorgeous. Look at the wood there in the bed. That looks like pine to me. She's all got clear coat on her, looking sweet. All the rungs here in between are all painted up. Gate looks great. We've got the stock hardware from the factory. That's what they used to do. Looks like the gate does operate. These hooks come out, the gate folds down. Bed sides are nice and straight. Sharp as can be. The rear fenders are steel on this. Running boards are steel. She's beautiful. Front fenders are also steel on it. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. So that means we own this 52 Chevrolet pickup truck. So you can bet we spent the time to check it out before we bought it. Then when they get here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any questions you may have about the truck. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all you need to know about the truck. If you want some additional pictures of it, just ask. He'll get you whenever you need. Now, I've been doing this for about 35 years now, and I'm in charge of picking out all the cars we've got here at the shop. So I'm going to put those 35 years to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car or truck. All right, 52 Chevrolet pickup truck time, guys. You want to talk about sweet? This is sweet right here. Resto modded out with a V8 under the hood. We're looking old school and stock on the outside, 5-window, beautiful paint, driving awesome, feeling awesome, looking good. Now call Tom anytime and we can get this dream parked in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. You give Tom a call, he'll help you out. He'll do all the paperwork for you. You don't have to do a thing. He'll also help you out with financing if you need help. Takes about 10 or 15 minutes with him on the phone. He'll hook you all up. He'll take care of all the paperwork, and we'll get this dream parked in your driveway. Get this thing turned around here and head back towards the shop. One of the things that we do at Vanguard that's unusual to all the other dealers in the United States is we're going to get this thing up on the lift and we're going to show you the underside of the truck. We spend the time and check these cars and trucks out before we buy them. So we're proud to show you the underside and the under the hood. We're going to show you everything about the vehicles so you can check them out and you can be rest assured that you're buying a good quality vehicle. Now we invite you to come visit us. We're close to the airport, so if you have the time and the means, please hop on a plane, get in your car. We're here on Saturdays if you want to drive out on a Saturday. We're here till 3 o'clock on Saturdays. Call Tom, let him know you're coming. If you want to send out an inspector, no problem whatsoever. It's one of our fans honking at us. We'll treat the inspector just like we treat you. We'll get the truck or the car out, get it up on the lift, show you. Look at that, driving down the road with no hands on the wheel, no problem whatsoever. Brakes feel good. It's got an awesome sound to it. Take this thing cruising anywhere you want. Head out to the grocery store, head out to the car show, ice cream, beach, whatever you want. This baby will get you there. Get around the corner here, we'll head down to the shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. As a matter of fact, I was just down to the airport and picked up one of our customers. He came in, test drove his car, signed all the documents. We've got his car being picked up tomorrow, heading out to his place. It'll be here at the end of the week for him. Here we are at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. You got to stick with us right now because we're going to get the truck up in the air for you right now so you can check out the underside. All right, we're underneath this 52 Chevrolet pickup truck, and as you can see, she is pretty under here. It's had the gas tank added to the bottom side here. You can see they finished the bottom side of the boards there. Everything under here looks great. It's got some great looking lowering blocks. They did a good job installing those. They're all welded in place. They ain't moving anywhere. We got a Ford 9-inch rear end in here, right around the 3.0 gear, and it is an open rear end. Good looking shocks here. Looks like they're fairly new too. Flowmaster mufflers on the exhaust. Frame looks like it's original. It's looking good. Metal fenders, and I don't see any patchwork on them whatsoever. We've got metal running boards here also. Cab corners are in good shape. Floorboard on the cab also looks good. Everything on the bottom side of this truck looking slick, looking clean. Now, if you guys have ever crawled around underneath one of these old trucks before, this is not the norm. The bottom side of these old trucks does not ever look this good. This is an amazing piece right here. Now, it does have a power booster, so it does have power brakes. It's got the Corvette style master cylinder here. It does have a turbo 350 trans. That's a 3-speed automatic, guys. Now, it does have an upgraded front suspension. It's a Mustang II style front suspension, and they did a beautiful job putting it in. Now, they've boxed in part of the frame up here where they welded it all in. Beautiful work, beautiful welds, beautiful job. One of the best jobs I've ever seen on an installation on one of these old pickup trucks. They've got disc brakes up front. It looks good. Sway bar up here also. They've even got a little skid plate up here looking sweet. All that brings a lot of structure to the truck and a lot of professionalism in the installation. We got a great looking rack and pinion set up here. Again, everything looking sweet here. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Front bumper's looking good. Closeout panel looks good. We got aluminum radiator. Bottom side looks good. Again, front fenders are steel. Back side of them are nice and clean. No patchwork. We got some wide whites here. Some great looking steelies. And those hubcaps, look at the shine on those. I see one little ugly spot in there. It looks just like me. Look at that. We got good looking trim rings right there too. I do not see the size on there. You got your light there? Is that a size? The size may be on the back side on these. Let me swing around back here to the other side again with the light. Let's see, yeah, all the writings on this side. There it is, 205/75/15s. Now let's check the rear. You can see these running boards are all steel, looking good. Out back again, the moon's looking good. A little dent in that moon. Looks like I got a dent in my head. Again, the trim ring looks good, wide whites, and I'm sure those are the same sizes up front. Now let's get under the hood and see what's making power. All right, under the hood here, we got all kinds of cool. We got a 350 Chev under the hood here, and this baby has got fuel injection. Isn't that sweet? So we got modern 350, modern fuel injection on this old 52 right here. We got some good looking finned aluminum valve covers. We got an old Cadillac air cleaner on there, all pinstriped up. And we got a bunch of chrome. I tell you what, you could win an award with the look on the underside of this hood. Everything looking sweet. The headers are jet coated. The power steering is all chromed up. The water pump is polished up. That's aluminum. We got the alternators chromed up. The alternator brackets are chromed up. All the pulleys are chromed up. We got a big electric fan on here. The aluminum radiator's all polished up. Everything that can be polished is polished. The firewall's nicely painted. Like I said, I see a lot of these pickup trucks. I'm sure you guys that travel around to a lot of the car shows and auctions and stuff see a lot of these pickup trucks too. This one is a 10, guys. It's a sweet ride. It's a 5-window. It's got fuel injection. It's old school, but you can drive this baby anywhere. Call Tom at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.